The Pardule are typical sweets of Sardinia, characteristic of the Easter and spring festivals. These desserts are made with a soft and crumbly dough, filled with fresh ricotta cheese, sugar, eggs and lemon zest. Put the semolina in the bowl of the planetary mixer. Add the lard. Add some salt. Operate the hook of the planetary mixer and add the water slowly. Work until you obtain a smooth and homogeneous paste. Create a ball and let it rest covered with a cloth. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. Grate the zest of 2 lemons and 2 oranges into a dish. In a bowl, pour 4 egg yolks. In a bowl with the ricotta, add the lemon and orange zest, the egg yolks and mix them. Add the sugar. Add the flour. Add the yeast. Mix until you obtain a compact cream without lumps. Today, Pardule are a symbol of Sardinian gastronomic culture and are prepared throughout the year, but above all during the Easter holidays. Their shape, which resembles that of a shell, represents the symbol of rebirth and fertility, in line with the religious significance of Easter. Roll out the dough into thin sheets with the help of a dough sheeter or a rolling pin. With a round cookie cutter, cut some discs from the rolled out dough. In the center of each disc obtained, place the filling about the size of a walnut. Close the edges, forming a sun. In Sardinia, Pardule are a much loved and appreciated dessert. So much so that they have become a traditional agri-food product, PAT, recognized by the Ministry of Agricultural, Food and Forestry Policies. This dessert is a unique gastronomic experience that embodies the history, culture and millenary traditions of Sardinia. Put in the oven at 180 degrees for 20-25 minutes. Take them out and let them cool. Belatalaia Cooking thanks Eleonora and Mariolina for making this recipe. Register on our channel and click the bell so you don't miss our recipes.